Inherited an XO project file and need to open it to continue development? This is a cross-platform development project from the Xojo IDE. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, compile, and modify these Xojo project files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical XO data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. An XO file is a project file created by Xojo, a rapid application development (RAD) environment for creating cross-platform software. Users interact with this file to save their entire project, including source code, user interface layouts, resources, and build settings for desktop, web, and mobile applications. The XO file is a proprietary, structured binary format. This design choice allows it to efficiently bundle diverse project assets from code to images into a single manageable file. The binary nature protects the project's integrity and optimizes load times within the Xojo Integrated Development Environment (IDE). The essential opener for the XO structure is Xojo developed by Xojo Inc. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can open the file safely, but to run it, you need the appropriate scripting platform. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your XO file and click Open With. Test with Xojo if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. If the XO file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Because the XO format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, opening in Xojo IDE. Download and install the Xojo IDE from xojo.com, which is free for learning and limited use. Launch Xojo and use File then Open. To load the XO project file, the IDE displays the complete project structure including Windows classes, modules, and resources, ready for editing and compilation. Next, compiling the project. In the Xojo IDE, select your build target from desktop, web, mobile, or Raspberry Pi options. Use the build menu to compile the project into a standalone, executable application. Configure code signing notarization and platform-specific settings before distributing the compiled application to end users. Finally, migrating legacy projects. If the XO file was created in older Xojo or real basic versions, Xojo automatically converts the project upon opening. Review deprecated API warnings in the Issues panel and update code using the modern Xojo API. Test thoroughly after migration to ensure compatibility with current platform versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.